Hey guys, welcome back to my Kitchen of Vegan Iniquity, where I am continuing on with my summer vegetables video list, although some people consider tomatoes a fruit. This is a tomato tart, and it is made with accidentally vegan puff pastry. You roll the puff pastry out, and I just use half of a package and it comes out square. Some come out more rectangular. You can make it any shape you want, but you roll up the sides and pinch them to make like a tray. Then you spread some Dijon mustard on the pastry, and then some tomato sauce, some breadcrumbs, and use garden fresh tomatoes. I mean, summer is tomato season. If you can't get really good tomatoes at the grocery store, try to go to a farmer's market, or, especially if you grow your own. This is what that sort of thing is for, because the tomato is what carries the whole thing, so you don't want to be doing this in the middle of wintertime. So then you slice the tomatoes and you put them on in layers. You sprinkle with some herbs and some olive oil, and you bake it at 425 for 40 minutes. 35 might be good. A couple of my edges got a little toasty, but I don't mind that sort of thing. But if you don't like that, try 30 minutes. Try checking at 30 to make sure that it's baked. I really didn't want the underneath the tomatoes to be underdone, so that's the trade-off. But anyway, let me get a knife and cut some. This is pretty fresh out of the oven, but you can eat this hot or cold. It's really good. Nice tomatoey flavor, and that mustard gives it a nice kick. And of course the pastry is nice and flaky. I don't want to stop eating it. So, the recipe for this will be on my blog. I will link to it in the description. I will also link to my previous video in the description. And thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Okay, one more bite. It's just so good.